Welcome to ATRIEV TechTalk, a step-by-step video tutorial for blind computer users and computer trainers for the blind. My name is Bobby. I'm totally blind and a trainer of other visually impaired students at ATRIEV Computer School for the Blind. This is the fifth in our series of video tutorials and the first to tackle using a screen reader for Android devices. It is a fact that Android powers hundreds of millions of mobile devices in over 190 countries around the world. And that number is growing every day. Android is a mobile operating system that commonly comes installed in a variety of smartphones and tablets. And believe it or not, blind persons can actually have the same access to these devices with the use of the screen reader called TalkBack. Follow me as we learn about TalkBack and the basic exploration gestures needed to use it. So pick up that device and let's get started. First, what is TalkBack? TalkBack is a pre-installed screen reader service on Android devices provided by Google for visually impaired users. It uses spoken feedback to describe what is on the screen, what you select, and what you activate. To activate TalkBack, a visually impaired person may need assistance. Go to the settings page and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility page, you will find the options to enable TalkBack. Switch TalkBack to on, and if your device asks for permissions, press OK.
Settings.
If you find you don't have TalkBack on your device, you can download it for free in Google Play Store. And once TalkBack has been activated, a visually impaired person will be able to access the various apps and functions of the Android device. You just need to learn some basic exploration gestures. There are two basic exploration gestures for TalkBack use. These are Explore by Touch and Explore by Flick. First, let us do Explore by Touch. To explore by touch, you simply have to place a finger on the screen and move it around without lifting your finger. As your finger moves around the screen, TalkBack will announce whatever item appears on that part of the screen. Now, let's do Explore by Touch.
Browser. Calculator. Calendar. Call log.
When using TalkBack, the items touched by your finger as it moves along the screen will not be activated. As you explore by touch, listen to TalkBack as it announces the various items.
Clock.
And when you
Contact.
hear the item you
Downloads.
want, lift your finger. Again, let's do explore by touch.
Camera. Chrome. Clock. Contact. Downloads.
Then I'll lift my finger. Now, the last item that TalkBack announced, which in this case was downloads, is now selected. Now, to activate that selected item, double tap anywhere on the screen. To double tap, tap your finger
Downloads.
twice in quick succession. Let's try it now.
Downloads.
There! The selected application has been activated. Let's demonstrate. Let's say I would like to use the application Camera. Currently on the apps page, I will do Explore by Touch. I will move my finger all over the screen without lifting my finger. I'll start now.
Browser. Calculator. Calendar. Call log.
Notice that on the apps page, items are arranged alphabetically, making it easier to find the app you want. As I explore by touch, I listen to TalkBack as
Browser.
it announces the various items on the screen. I
Calculator.
am waiting to hear the announcement of the app I want.
Calendar.
In this case, Camera.
Call log.
Now I will continue to explore.
Downloads. Contact. Clock. Chrome. Camera.
There! It said camera. Now I lift my finger to select that item. To activate it, I will double tap the screen. This means tapping my finger 2 times fast anywhere on the screen. I will do it now.
Camera.
There! Using Explore by Touch, we have been able to locate and activate the application camera. Another way of exploring the items on the screen is by flick. The flick or swipe gesture is simple. Place your finger anywhere on the screen, slide it quickly from left to right, and lift it off the screen. Place your finger on the screen, slide, and lift. Try to do this in one continuous motion. This is the flick or the swipe. When
FM
using
radio.
Explore by Flick, TalkBack will announce
Gallery.
each item on the screen one by one.
Gmail.
Now, listen as I do Explore
Google.
by Flick.
Bluetooth app sender. Browser. Calculator.
In performing the Explore by Flick gesture, the last announced item is the selected one.
Calendar.
The process of activation is the same
Call
as
log.
with Explore by Touch. Just
Camera.
double tap anywhere on the screen to open the
Camera.
item selected. I'll try to double tap now.
Camera.
There, the selected item has been activated. Let's demonstrate. Let's say I'm on the apps page and want to find and open the application calculator. I explore by flick. I place my finger on the screen, slide from left to right, and lift my finger, all in one quick fluid motion.
Bluetooth app sender.
I repeat the flicking motion and TalkBack announces the next item.
Browser.
I continue to repeat the flicking motion and listen as TalkBack announces each item on the screen one by one.
Calculator.
When I hear the item I want to select, I stop flicking. As calculator was the last item announced, it is now selected. To activate calculator, all I have to do is double tap anywhere on the screen.
Calculator.
And my application is now opened. Let's say I heard the item I wanted, but I continued to flick and TalkBack announced the next item. I can go back to the previous item by flicking or swiping my finger from right to left instead of left to right. I place my finger on the screen, slide from right to left, and lift my finger, all in one quick fluid motion. Let's try it. I am flicking in the usual manner from left to right. I put my finger on the screen, slide to the right, and lift.
Bluetooth app sender.
I repeat the motion to hear the next item.
Browser.
I continue to repeat this motion.
Calculator. Calendar.
To go back to calculator, the item I was looking for, I now flick to the left. I put my finger on the screen, and this time, I slide from right to left and lift my finger.
Calculator.
The item I want is now the last one announced. I double tap my finger anywhere on the screen, and the calculator is now activated.
Calculator.
Oftentimes, tablets and phones are programmed to lock the screen when it is left unused for several minutes. Different devices may use different gestures to unlock the screen and be able to use the device. One common way to unlock the screen is through the slide gesture.
Slide right for unlock. Slide up for search. Slide left for camera. Home.
If your screen still does not unlock, explore by touch and listen to TalkBack. it will give you instructions on how to unlock the screen of your particular device. Today, we have learned about the basic navigation gestures needed for TalkBack use. Watch out for the next video tutorials where we will learn more about how to use TalkBack on your Android device. For more advanced lessons or to learn more about ATRIEV Computer School for the Blind and the programs we offer, contact us at country code +632 725-4191 or visit our webpage www.atriev.org.ph. That's www.atriev.org.ph. You can also like us on Facebook or subscribe to ATRIEV's YouTube channel. Remember, explore, and learn more. This has been Bobby for ATRIEV, giving the blind a vision beyond sight.